Hello, or should I say ciao. Today I have an Italian self-care routine for you guys right here in my home of Los Angeles. My Nona and Nono are from Nola, which is a small town about 30 minutes outside of Naples. And in January, I got to spend a month in Italy. I got to go all over. I went to Rome, I went to Venice, I went to Naples. I got to spend time with family there, and I just got to connect with my roots. And for self-care summer, I thought it would be super fun to bring a little bit of Italy back here to Los Angeles and do a self-care routine Italian style. After setting the mood in my place, I'm going straight for a glass of wine. The Italian dining table is bare without a bottle of wine. Italians drink wine at lunch and dinner. It's a way that the Italians unwind and gather to chat for hours. Of course, the most important part of an Italian routine is to eat. Mangia, 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 as my Nonna would say. Italian women truly allow themselves to eat whatever they want, which is something that's definitely been passed on to me. The portions are smaller though, and Italians spend a lot of time walking outside to balance it all. I called up my Italian mother to see if she had any advice for my routine.
Eat a lot of pasta.
Eat a lot of pasta. Okay, that I can do.
It's very pasta and wine is good.
Okay.
In moderation, everything in moderation. Pasta and wine. Now, one thing for sure, lots of garlic. Garlic is the best thing that you can do for your body.
Yeah.
It's your blood, does everything. Italians live average, they live long time, and it has been said that it's because of garlic. They eat a lot of garlic.
Yeah, it's good for your blood, isn't it?
Yes, it is, and I love it. So pasta, garlic, and wine.
Okay.
I'll be happy with that. I can spend the rest of my life eating pasta, garlic, and wine.
Me too, Mama.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I love you.
Okay. Ti amo. This is a super easy garlic and Parmesan pasta recipe. You can probably make it with what you already have in your kitchen. The sauce is made up of butter, minced garlic, lots of it, chili pepper to taste, and olive oil. I used fettuccine pasta, married the two together, and then added as much Parmesan as my heart desired, which is a lot. The Italian beauty routine is always very simple as well. Tonight, I decided to use olive oil on my face to moisturize it, and because Italians love their espresso, I decided to use some coconut oil mixed with coffee grinds as an exfoliant. This made my hands so incredibly soft. You guys have to try this. And to fully indulge in the experience, I decided to watch old Italian films all night long, and it was wonderful.
Canto quello che vedo sul niente soprassiedo. Ecco dissi al caos. Eccomi santo schiavo e mi rispose bravo. Di che dissi io?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and double check that you are subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss a new video from me. And if you guys like this video, please tell me in the comments and tell me if you've ever been to Italy. Are some of you guys watching this video Italian? If so, please let me know in the comments and let me know what you guys do for your routine to keep up with it. And if you live outside of Italy and you're Italian, what do you do to feel connected with your roots? I am missing Italy like crazy right now. So I thought that this would be a perfect video for me to just feel reconnected to it. I'm craving pasta, I'm craving cappuccino, I'm craving the people, I'm missing my family that's there. And so I just felt like it would be a good time for me to do this video so that even just for a fleeting moment, I feel like I'm in Italy again.